3, go.
Looking out across the night, the city waves its sleepless eye. Hear her voice, it shake my window, sweet seducing sight. So lead me out into the winter, the walls won't hold me tonight. If this town is just an apple, then let me take a bite. And they say, right, tell them that it's human nature, right. Does it do me that way? And they say, right, tell them that it's human nature, right. Does it do me that way? Reaching out to the thunder, electric eyes are everywhere. See that girl, she knows I'm watching. She likes the way I stand. And they say, right, tell them that this human nature, right. Does he do it that way? They say, right. Tell them that this human nature, right. Does he do it that way? I like loving this way. I like living this way. Reaching out to the morning, the city's heart begins to beat, yeah. Reaching out, I touch your shoulder, I'm dreaming of us, yeah. And they say, why, come on, why? Tell them that this human nature, why, come on, we do it that way. They say, why, ooh, tell them why, does he do it that way? They say, why, tell them that this human nature, why, does he do it that way? If they say, why, I say, ooh, tell them why, does he do it that way? I like loving this way, I like living this way, I like loving this way, I like living this way.
Thank you very much. That was really good.
Scratch that off the list, man. Going back to
Good. Jeff is not like that.
Next one's
Just saying,
Babyface.
oh, I love Jeff, dog. I'm like, yo,
No, we went over these songs within the last month. Like
that's what we
300
always do, though. Don't we? Jeff hates practicing. He always hates practicing. Press stop. Good. Okay, good. Thanks, Elijah. Ever since I know Jeff in every single band, he hates practicing. You got practice, songs, music. That's it. You gotta do music again today. Hey, people gonna be like that. They're gonna be like, yeah, girl. And you gonna be like, you gotta keep going. What you say you need? Need your grand bars over?
No, I'm good. I ate.
Yeah, put your sexy device on.
Oh yeah.
You know we need that. So to get right, son. So this is, are we going on a second set right here?
That was the best intro.
Are we going on a second
This is
set?
the last song of the first set.
Okay, for real? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
But you can't drink, man.
I'm not gonna drink.
Sorry.
I drank last time, didn't
Can you play B flat?
I drank last time, didn't
Just trying to tune saxophone.
Yes, sir. Got you. You mad because you can't tune your drums.
It's like even how.
Somebody give me an A. Boom, 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 boom.
Where's your tuning slide?
9 o'clock. Yeah, school tomorrow. Good night. Summer school.
Where's your tuning slide? Oh.
Summer school because I want him to come ahead of the
because
class.
we said trumpet because I have a slide at the end.
Alright. Just feeding back.
That was the best.